On the basis of reliable sources, Forest Department managed to recover the illegal sawmill and generator and bring it to Sipaizala Forest Office by conducting raid in a rubber plantation in Champamura area under Bishalgarh subdivision on Friday. It is reported that a collision took place between a Tripura car and a passenger auto in Dakarbari area under Bishalgarh police station on Friday. 4 people were seriously injured in another terrible road accident. The passenger auto fell on the side of the road and the driver and passengers were seriously injured. Locals witnessed the incident and informed Bishalgarh Fire Brigade personnel. Bishalgarh Fire Brigade personnel rescued the injured from the spot and took them to Bishalgarh Sub-District Hospital. The injured were identified as Shubhendu Dev, Malin Dev, Shopon Acharya and Rajkumar Devnath. Among the injured, Shopon Acharya was referred to Hapania Hospital for better treatment by the doctor on duty at Bishalgarh Sub-Divisional Hospital as his condition was critical.
একটা টিপারে গাড়ি চারজন লোককে ধাক্কা দিয়েছে। তাদের নাম হলো শিবন্ত দেব, মলিন দেব, স্বপন আচার্য, রাজকুমার দেবনাথ। তাদের মধ্যে একজন সিএস স্বপন আচার্য, তাকে হাপানিয়া হসপিটাল পাঠানো হয়েছে।
টোটাল কজন আছে ফায়ার সার্ভিস?
ফায়ার সার্ভিস তো নিয়ে আসেনি, তারাই নিয়ে এসছে।
এমনি আইছে তারা লোকাল আইছে। কতজন আইছে টোটাল?
4 জন।
জিবি আফানিয়া রেফার করছে।
একজনকে রেফার করা হয়েছে।
কোথায়? আফানিয়া।
Meanwhile, on receiving information about the vehicle accident, Bishalgarh police rushed to the spot and brought the auto and Tripura car to the police station. Reported by Ashish from Bishalgarh, Chini Khorang.